Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Plus, we'll take a first look at the new Galaxy Buds 3. Let's get started. First up, we've got some exciting new photos of the prototype Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. These images, courtesy of Sonny Dixon, give us a closer look at Samsung's foldable phones, revealing some intriguing design updates. From these pictures, we can see the new boxier design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The photos highlight changes to the camera setup and the overall aesthetics of the device. One thing that's immediately noticeable is the crease on the inside screen. It seems like the 6th generation still has that familiar fold line, with the devices open. Now it's important to remember that these phones are prototypes. The final version might look quite different. The crease on the screen appears more prominent in these early models, possibly because Samsung used an older display just to showcase the shape and size. Many of us are still hoping that the final version will have a less noticeable crease. Another interesting detail is the black prototype version with a roughly stamped Samsung logo on the hinges. In previous models, we've seen engraved logos, which many prefer for their premium feel. Samsung might stick with the stamped logo for these new models, but we'll have to wait and see. Speaking of hinges, there's a small detail you might notice on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The hinge protection plate seems to stick out a bit at the top and bottom. It looks like the hinge is slightly farther from the main phone panels at the ends compared to the middle, where the Samsung logo is located. Apart from these small details, Samsung's design updates are quite evident in these prototype units. The borders around the inside screen seem thinner, and the overall size and appearance are slightly improved compared to last year's model. Honestly, the designs aren't surprising. Samsung seems to be sticking with the same design style, making the new foldables easy to recognize. Even though these leaked pictures show early models or mock-ups, it's clear that Samsung is not planning any drastic changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to have sharper corners for a more angular look, be about 15 grams lighter, and feature a titanium frame. Moving on to the Galaxy Buds 3, we've got a first look thanks to a casemaker's leak. The new Buds 3 will have a stem design confirming earlier rumors. While stem-style earbuds might remind you of Apple's AirPods, the Galaxy Buds 3 have a distinct look. The stems of these buds are more angular, and the silver SL gray color helps them stand out. They might share some similarities with other stem-style earbuds, but Samsung has managed to give them a unique twist. If you were hoping for a much bigger front screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, you might be disappointed. A photo shared by casemaker Thinborn on Twitter shows that Samsung isn't making the cover screen significantly larger. The cover display will be a bit wider due to a different aspect ratio, but the actual screen size will remain almost the same. The same goes for the 7.6-inch foldable display. It will still be the same size, but with a different aspect ratio, making it shorter and wider. So there you have it. A closer look at the prototype Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, along with a sneak peek at the Galaxy Buds 3. While these early models give us a good idea of what's to come, remember that the final versions could look quite different. Samsung might still have some surprises up its sleeve. What do you think about these new designs? Are you excited about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6? And how do you feel about the Galaxy Buds 3 stem design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.